not the time to grow complacent.
History teaches us that the nations that grow comfortable with the old ways and complacent in the face of new threats, those nations do not long endure. And progress should make us hopeful, but it can't make us complacent. After all, one of the reasons we got into the mess we've been in over the last couple of years is because, let's face it, we grew complacent. We can't be complacent, but we can't be complacent. I believe this is essential to the security of the entire world, and given the catastrophic consequences of even a single attack, we cannot be complacent. But we are here today because we know we cannot be complacent. So we've got a lot to be proud of, but obviously we can't grow complacent. And this commitment makes clear that NATO will not be complacent. We cannot let up, and we cannot be complacent. So all of this means that although we should feel optimistic about our capacity to solve the Ebola crisis, we cannot be complacent simply because the news attention on it has waned. The meeting today will obviously discuss how we make sure that we're not complacent so long as there's even one case of Ebola remaining in West Africa.
Like other countries complacent in an older sclerotic system, we are still young, dynamic, and unafraid to question ourselves.
We can't be complacent. We can't grow complacent. And that is why we celebrate Women's History Month. Not to get complacent, but to take a moment each year and celebrate the achievements that women have fought so hard to achieve, and to rededicate ourselves to tackling the challenges that remain. So we cannot be complacent. Now, that doesn't mean that we can be complacent, because today dangerous forces do threaten to pull the world backwards, and our progress is not enough. Now, I say all these things not to make you complacent,